Alex Kozinski, the powerful judge on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, who was facing a judicial investigation over allegations that he subjected women to inappropriate sexual behavior, announced Monday that he would retire effective immediately. In a statement provided by his lawyer, Kozinski apologized, saying that he had a broad sense of humor and a candid way of speaking to both male and female law clerks alike, and that, in doing so, I may not have been mindful enough of the special challenges and pressures that women face in the workplace. He added, "It grieves me to learn that I caused any of my clerks to feel uncomfortable. This was never my intent. For this I sincerely apologize." Alex Kozinski's full statement announcing his immediate retirement. Kozinski, 67, said that although family and friends had urged him to stay on, at least long enough to defend myself, he cannot be an effective judge and simultaneously fight this battle. Nor would such a battle be good for my beloved federal judiciary. And so I am making the decision to retire, effective immediately. As a federal appeals court judge, Kozinski was appointed for life and did not report to any higher authority, although he could be impeached by Congress. The inquiry he was facing could have led to his being reprimanded, asked to retire or blocked from taking new cases for a period of time, but his judicial colleagues could not by themselves have forced him from the bench. Kozinski's retirement will almost certainly end that investigation, according to a person familiar with the matter and the rules governing judicial misconduct complaints. That could potentially prevent more unflattering revelations from becoming public. He stepped down in such a way, too, that allows him to collect retirement payments, a person familiar with the matter said. A spokesman for the Administrative Office of the U.S. Courts declined to comment on whether it was possible the inquiry could continue in some fashion. The retirement occurs just days after the Washington Post reported that 9 more women had accused Kozinski of making sexual comments to them or of other conduct, including 4 who said he touched them inappropriately. That story followed an earlier report in the Post, which detailed the allegations of 6 women, including former clerks who said Kozinski showed them pornography in his chambers. After the first report, the Chief Judge of the Ninth Circuit initiated a review of Kozinski's conduct, and the case was assigned Friday to the Second Circuit Judicial Council. It was not immediately clear what would happen to the legal matters to which Kozinski is assigned. 1 or more of Kozinski's clerks had resigned after the allegations against Kozinski became public, a court official has said. President Trump, who has been publicly accused of sexual misconduct, will nominate a successor. Kozinski was appointed to the Ninth Circuit by President Ronald Reagan in 1985 and over time became one of the most well-known federal appeals court judges in the country. He served as chief of the Ninth Circuit from 2007 to 2014.